On the evening of November 4th, 2023, a routine traffic stop by Belmar Police Officer Voitko quickly escalated into a DUI arrest that highlighted both the dangers of impaired driving and the legal consequences that follow such behavior. The incident unfolded when Officer Voitko observed a vehicle traveling the wrong way down a one-way street, failing to stop at a nearby intersection. This traffic violation prompted the officer to initiate a stop, a decision that would soon uncover further infractions.
Hello? Hi, Patrolman Voitko, Belmar Police. Have your license, registration, insurance? Who's this in front of you? You don't know who they are?
I just pulled over because I saw them pull over, and then I saw you guys.
Oh, okay.
Pull over, and then I saw you guys. But
Oh, okay.
yeah, I'm just a little confused.
All right. Do you have your driver's license and your insurance?
Yeah.
Do you know why I'm stopping you? At 17th and Ocean, you blew the stop sign and cut a car off coming across the road.
No.
Okay. Okay. Do you have your insurance and your license? Is that your ID?
This is my.
This is your new one?
Yes, that's my New Jersey license.
Okay. You live in Elizabeth?
Yes.
Upon approaching the vehicle, Officer Voitko immediately detected the unmistakable odor of alcohol emanating from inside. Given this observation, the officer asked the driver, a 25-year-old woman, to exit the vehicle to perform standardized field sobriety tests, SFSTs. Despite her own belief that she had successfully passed these tests, the officer determined otherwise. The woman's performance on the SFSTs did not meet the necessary standards, leading to her arrest for driving under the influence, DUI.
How much have you had to drink tonight? One glass of wine. Where are you coming from? Okay, I'll take that. You have to step out.
Yeah, that's completely fine with me. I just
Okay.
don't think that's right, but okay.
All right.
Oh my God.
Yeah, just step around to the back of the
Can I
vehicle.
call my cousin?
Not right now.
So if you just stand right there with your feet together, okay? I'm just going to do a test with your eyes. Do you have any issues with your eyes or anything like that? Any health
No.
problems?
I'm
No,
good.
no.
I'm good.
Okay.
I can see perfectly fine. I'm just,
Okay.
That's really rude. I'm sorry. I'm just.
All right.
Put your hands down at your side, counting out loud.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Okay.
11, 12, 13.
Listen.
You got to listen to the...
Instructions.
yes.
You're under arrest. Place your hands on your head.
Wait.
Hold, just listen. Let him handcuff you. Okay. Relax.
Wait, I'm sorry. I have a freaking COP exam tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Wait, I'm sorry. Wait, why are you arresting me?
For driving under the influence, okay?
Following her arrest, the woman's uncooperative behavior continued. When instructed to enter the back of the police vehicle, she refused, requiring Officer Voitko and another officer to assist her into the rear seat. This resistance is often seen in DUI cases, with a suspect under the influence of alcohol may lack the ability to fully comprehend the situation or may act out in frustration.
I'm not getting in that car
You
because
have to, okay? You don't have a choice. You're under arrest. Have a seat in the car, please. You have to
Ma'am.
get in the car.
why?
You are under
Because
arrest.
you're under arrest for driving under the influence.
Get in the
Okay?
I'm just not getting in the car
You
because
have to get in the car.
Come on, you gotta get in the car.
Have a seat in the
Unless
car.
I have an explanation as to why you're doing that.
Have a seat in the
No,
car.
I need a reason. I'm not getting in this car unless I have a reason.
Stop.
I need a reason. I'm not getting in this car
Got
for
it.
no reason. Respectfully, you can't do that. You know, you legally can't do that. You can't put
Get into the car.
Such behavior not only complicates the arrest process, but can also lead to additional charges, as we will discuss later. The woman's conduct did not improve upon arrival at the police station.
All right, you can step out. Just watch your head, okay?
What's your name again?
Patrolman Voitko.
Hold on.
Just walk straight through this door, make a left, and then a quick right, and have a seat on the bench right in this room, okay?
This is a right, but okay.
Okay. You sit right here on the bench. I'm just going to take one cuff off, and I'm going to cuff you there so it's a little more comfortable, okay?
Initially, she agreed to submit to evidential breath testing, which is a standard procedure in DUI cases to determine blood alcohol concentration, BAC. However, when she was denied the opportunity to make a phone call before the test, she changed her mind and refused to take the breath test altogether.
I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit samples of your breath?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Can I make one phone call?
Once all of this is done, we will give you the opportunity to make a phone call, okay?
Well, what does this paperwork entitle?
Well, we have to take your breath samples. And then we have to do all the paperwork. But we can't do anything until we take your breath samples.
I have to take my breath samples.
You agreed to it. That's why we're doing it.
So yeah, this is where we're at.
I didn't agree to it. I'm just saying that.
In Florida, refusing to submit to a breath test after being lawfully arrested for DUI carries significant legal consequences, which we will explore in detail. Driving under the influence, DUI, is addressed under Florida statutes, Chapter 316, Section 193. DUI involves operating a vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.08% or higher, or being impaired by alcohol or drugs. A first-time offence can lead to up to 6 months in jail, a fine up to $1,000, and a license suspension of up to 1 year, emphasizing the serious nature of impaired driving. Florida's implied consent law, found in Chapter 316, Section 1932, mandates that drivers consent to chemical testing when arrested for DUI. Refusal to take a breath test after a first offence results in a 1-year license suspension. Subsequent refusals are considered a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. All right, it seems like this woman just landed herself in hot water, but this is not the worst case. Just wait until you see this next one. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even messier. On February 18th, 2022, a significant traffic incident occurred in Florida involving a woman named Michelle. The event began when Michelle, operating her vehicle under the influence of drugs and without a valid driver's license, insurance, or registration, was involved in a hit-and-run collision.
They've been doing drugs all day.
You seem to be the one in control of these drugs.
Yeah, handing them out.
Hi. She damaged a mailbox and an electrical pole, exhibiting erratic driving behavior and neglecting previously issued warnings to stay off the property where the damage occurred.
She hit that mailbox. She was parked here, almost hit her car. Luckily,
And she's
she
just
didn't.
laughing at us.
But that mailbox is hers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they just put it back
And she
up,
hit
but it
that
was like
pole pretty far.
She
it
knocked
was
it
crushed,
completely.
like that whole pole is like not the pole, but the little mailbox pole was down. They just put it back up.
Yeah.
Witnesses reported that Michelle, who was known for disruptive behavior and drug use, drove recklessly, repeatedly hitting the mailbox and causing considerable property damage.
Okay, but this, did somebody come and...
Yeah. He came and like the guy that
Put
rode
the
up
post
on
back
the
in?
front of that.
Oh, wow, okay.
Upon receiving reports of the incident, a patrolling officer quickly arrived at the scene. The officer gathered witness statements and attempted to pursue Michelle when she fled the scene. Despite the officer's efforts to apprehend her, the pursuit was terminated due to concerns about public safety, particularly because of heavy traffic and the presence of children leaving school. Michelle's car was marked with visible damage, including a noticeable dent and purple paint, which made it easier to identify.
Triple, big section. I mean,
like
I'm talking
she's
Like on the
right
front or
there.
back?
like this big, right on the back, on the hatchback.
Several hours later, Michelle was located in her vehicle at the same driveway where the initial incident occurred.
Where's the latch to open it?
There's no latch over here. She's tying her thing right now.
The officer attempted to de-escalate the situation and convince Michelle to exit the vehicle voluntarily.
Your top's on. I just need you to finish tying that knot, and then I need you to open the door.
No problem.
She doesn't. I've got plan B.
Okay. She's on this one. All right, perfect. Now unlock the door.
Michelle, however, resisted, leading to a prolonged standoff.
I need you to open the door. Unlock it.
Unlock the door now.
It's not. It's tied.
Despite repeated requests and warnings, Michelle remained uncooperative, which led the officers to break the window of her car to apprehend her. She was subsequently taken into custody after a physical struggle, during which she continued to resist.
Stop me!
No, stop resisting.
Ow! You are the crooks. Not me. Ow, that hurts. Ow! You motherfucker. Ow! I'm not moving.
Stop jerking around.
Ow, that hurts. Hang on, let me move it.
Under Chapter 316, Florida statutes, traffic regulations fleeing from law enforcement, Section 316, 1935, is a third-degree felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison, a $5,000 fine, or both. The severity of the punishment can be increased depending on the nature of the crime and the presence of aggravating factors. In addition, under Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence is a misdemeanor of the first degree, punishable by up to 1 year in jail, a $1,000 fine, or both. And most importantly, under Chapter 316.061, Florida statutes leaving the scene of a crash. The hit-and-run charge falls under this section, where failing to provide identification and assistance after causing property damage is a second-degree misdemeanor, which can lead to a maximum of 60 days in jail, a $500 fine, or both. Still not the worst case. Just wait until you see this next one. On June 2nd, 2024, a chaotic incident unfolded at a Publix grocery store, resulting in the arrest of a woman for assaulting an employee in the presence of police officers. The event was marked by tension, miscommunication, and a swift response from law enforcement. Police officers were already on the scene and witnessed the assault.
She's not going anywhere. Relax.
I can do it nicely. Get off of me.
Stop moving. Give me your hands.
They immediately intervened, attempting to de-escalate the situation.
Stop. Move your wrist. Just calm down. All right. There you go. What do you have to say? I don't know what happened.
The officers repeatedly instructed the woman to calm down and comply with their orders.
Just relax a little bit. All right. Come sit down.
Yeah. I'm not going anywhere, Pedro.
Despite their efforts, she continued to resist, demanding that they stop manhandling her and insisting she was being mistreated.
Sit down. Relax.
Stop manhandling me.
Stop. Sit down.
You're gonna get a
Stop.
Listen, you're gonna get another charge.
Manhandling me.
Relax.
The officers warned her multiple times about the consequences of her resistance, including potential additional charges.
Can I have my other headphones, please?
I will grab it.
Can you help me put it away like I wanted to do in the first place?
Throughout the encounter, the woman was combative and uncooperative. She expressed frustration and anger, claiming that she was tired of receiving comments because of her appearance.
I'm sick of the comments, man. I get it all day long because I'm a pretty girl and I'm sick of it.
Her resistance escalated as she refused to give her hands to the officers, necessitating their use of physical force to restrain her.
In the comments and stuff like that. You know.
Despite the officers' attempts to calm her, she persisted in her defiance, which only aggravated the situation further.
Don't even play with me. You got a phone? You have a phone?
Eventually, the decision to arrest the woman was made.
You want to press charges on her or not? Do you want her to go to jail for what she's done or not?
The employee, after some deliberation, decided to press charges, citing the need to prevent such behavior from recurring.
I'm going to have her arrested. Yeah. We'll go to court. Come on. She needs to go through the process.
The woman was charged with battery and resisting arrest. She was taken into custody, where the legal process began to unfold. The woman's actions led to significant legal consequences. Under Florida law, battery is defined as intentionally striking another person against their will. This offense is categorized under Chapter 784 of the Florida statutes. According to Section 784.03, battery is generally classified as a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail or 12 months of probation and a $1,000 fine. Resisting arrest without violence is covered under Chapter 843, Section 843.02 of the Florida statutes. This charge is also a first-degree misdemeanor, carrying similar penalties of up to 1 year in jail, probation, and a $1,000 fine. The combination of these charges highlights the severity of the woman's actions and the legal system's response to such behavior. All right, let's move to this next case. On December 24th, 2023, a 19-year-old was apprehended following a traffic incident where he crashed his car into a utility pole. The young man was visibly distressed and expressed significant concern about his father discovering the damage to the vehicle, claiming this was not the first accident involving his car. Despite his attempts to hide previous accidents, the damage was evident, and his agitation was apparent throughout the encounter.
Alright, so explain to me what happened today.
Bro, all I know is I hit my car. My dad can't know that I hit my car.
Your dad
all
can't know
I know is
that?
I hit my car 2 times already.
Okay.
And I can't know it.
Hey,
I can't let him know that I hit my car. That's all I know. So if you guys tell him that I hit my car, I'm fucked. He's already seen it, bro.
So this is old.
Yes, this is old. I've already hidden this. But when he sees this, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. He already knows what happened with that.
Go ahead, County.
He already knows what happened with that front wheel. It's kind of damage is there no matter what. If he knows what happened to this front fucking wheel.
Upon arrival, the police officers conducted a thorough assessment of the scene. They initiated a conversation with the young man, who was uncooperative and visibly nervous. The officers observed that the vehicle was severely damaged and requested the necessary documentation, including a valid driver's license and insurance information. The young man struggled to provide up-to-date insurance details as his card expired. This added to the confusion and heightened his distress.
Is everybody okay though?
All I know is that my dad's gonna be tripping out.
I got you. What I just need to know is, are you guys okay?
I'm totally perfect. I just know
nobody's
that my
hurt.
dad's gonna be tripping about what I've been hitting. It's not okay.
So I'll let you know who's coming, and then we'll get if I can grab your license, your insurance, and your registration. We'll get this. Okay. Deep breaths for me, okay? Do you have another insurance?
Yes.
Because this one's expired by 2022. This one,
What do you not need?
your insurance is expired on this card. Do you have one that's up to date?
No, I don't. Because my dad got my first card and everything. I don't know what's happening.
The officers proceeded with field sobriety tests to determine if the young man was driving under the influence, DWWI. These tests included the heel-to-toe walk and the one-leg stand test. The young man failed to perform these tests correctly, which further indicated impairment. His anxiety and discomfort were palpable, and he repeatedly expressed his fear about his father's reaction and the legal consequences he faced.
I smell alcohol on you.
I swear to God.
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is
if you want to take the car...
No, we're going to do fuel sobriety test, so come over here.
No problem.
Right this way, all right? The final test is going to be the one-leg stand test, okay? Again, you're going to put your arms down at your side. You're going to pick whatever foot, left or right.
I'm right.
Okay, so you can lift up your left foot off the floor. You're going to raise it 6 inches off the floor. Your foot is going to be parallel to the floor. All right, man, turn around. You're under arrest.
What do you mean?
You are under arrest.
What do you mean?
Okay, you're under arrest for being under the influence. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not under the influence.
Yes, you are.
What do you mean?
Ma'am, I'm not going to say it again. Turn around.
Come on.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not behind my back. What are you talking about?
The young man was ultimately placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated, DWI. The arresting officers informed him that his vehicle would be towed and he needed to arrange for alternate transportation. His pleas for help and expressions of fear about the situation were met with standard procedures. The legal process then moved forward, with the young man being taken into custody for further processing at the station.
My dad is in front of the car. What are you talking about?
Your dad's not here.
Bro, I don't care. That's not the point. My car is in front of
being towed.
What are you talking about? That's not okay. That's not okay. No, that's not okay. Bro, that's not okay. My car's right there.
And it's going to be towed, man.
Okay, so she's being placed under arrest for driving under the influence? Okay.
What do I do, bro? What do I do?
Come with me.
No, I don't. I've never been here before.
I know you. I'm glad you haven't.
No, it's not the point. It's not the point. I've never been here.
Okay.
I've always been a track kid. I've always been a good kid.
I understand that. Nope.
That's not okay, bro. That's not okay.
In the legal proceedings that followed, the young man faced charges for driving under the influence. He was required to attend court hearings where the evidence from the incident, including the failed sobriety tests and vehicle damage, was presented. The court assessed the situation based on the severity of the violation, and the young man was given a sentence in accordance with state laws. The young man's actions constituted a violation of several legal statutes under Florida law. The primary violation was under Florida statutes. Chapter 316.193, which pertains to driving under the influence, DUI. According to Section 316.193(1), a person is guilty of a DUI if they are driving or in actual physical control of a vehicle while impaired by alcohol or drugs.